Dago, anyway. Because a lot of people.
Just they come, they go sometimes.
Eh, oh, you bogu name of Bataya Fep. Can network. Kemo English, Mokwatu make on F. Kemo Kanjo, English Kemo, Fep, yeah, Fepute, yeah, Fep. Man, I gauge to quote, I gauge sign 9. Rabu, you talk like him, your time. I understand me. Fep, yeah, Fepute. I know. Hey, yo, Nabiko. Oh, when I been Nagadio camp. You get the place importance me to go. This person when you Anamaga Anamaga Eba no kwa Okweba wo Ebonyi State. Because one name work friends of mine. The wife or friend can work with friend near Francis her mother na boy. So because marriage her tradition war 31st December 2020. Then white wedding how marriage white white marriage this 3rd of January 2021. So for the white marriage me invited. So because see this is where it's done. Osborne Lapam Royal Resort Limited Uburu by Obiozara Secretariat opposite Ohazue Divisional Police Headquarters Ebonyi State. Oh, you be make here. Then they make a Miss Chukwu Queen Elizabeth. Can work upon the Okoro, Mr. Okoro Louis Ikechukwu. 2 of them joined into matrimony. Both of them are my friends. So, more than any invitation, Cynthia invited me. So, when you come to me, let me come on in time to wait it. I will ask people, they go tell me go this way. Some go tell me go this way. Direction I carry see my brain and be a format. But I know as you stand here, you go know the place because someone on the youth in it. Oh, you see?
But not very so. This traditional marriage now 31st.
31st December 2020.
Now, from where you they come from, so?
From Imo State. Alekwe.
Imo State.
Long from Umudrekwe, Imo State.
Now you come to day 10th and the day na still 31st. You still get about 21 days ahead.
I got them no me go to your house. Address to him, Jigaga wouldn't come now the problem. I don't want make they tell me story of what's going to happen for this marriage. Me want to come, remain, wait, watch, view, till that day. And what the more order? When you make a wedding now, open the man.
So make I show you the place now. So.
Biko.
And if I show you, case all close.
When did you come on?
You go stand like this. You know, say this Ebonyi State. If you not look well, you will miss road. You see that long road that just did like this road.
The long
this road like this. If they follow my army, you don't mistake. You go.
You go come reach one roundabout. Now, if you see the roundabout, it's big. You go first look the roundabout. If you look left, you don't miss road. You know, say Ebonyi State, if you not look well, the road everywhere like you go just lost.
Do am well.
And if you lost, the bad thing for this Ebonyi State, they're not going to show you for TV. Now, newspaper, they go publish you, and they go bring the newspaper come like in 5 years' time. By that time, people go don't forget about you. So you go focus. When you see that roundabout, you go come turn round. You go turn round again, maybe 2 times. You go come follow your left.
I go buy a Buruburu, but I bought.
Buruburu. What be the former governor for
Buruburu roundabout?
Okay. I feel say na that governor because you know say are they learned.
Yes. So I go turn around.
You go turn the round.
Yes.
2 times. Then immediately you take your, you know, if they see all those roads, the God go say take your sharp left. As you turn around 1, 2, take your sharp left.
Okay.
The moment
buyer.
Take your sharp left. Correct. When you take your sharp left, you don't see the place.
Yes.
Now you go come they go. The moment you don't they go now, so you go see one woman where you don't say where it died. They do the poster, rain don't beat the poster. Once you look the poster, you go come on eye, focus again. Then as you just they go, you go come reach one lonely part. You get one side that they call on small bedding ground. The other side too, they still bury person for there that they call, and that place now big people where they bury for there. So, but when you don't reach that place, you go come quiet, you go come turn, come to use back. They waka small, they waka small, because if you make pim for there, all those bedigram people, they not get joy. So many of them say like 4 the burial, 2 some they borrow money to do the burial. Some say, so you dey waka small. Once you just hear any noise, you go just do like this. Yeah. For no day. And they describe road for you. You just the squeeze face, they look me as if say
Thunder fire you carry. May thunder lift up that your leg and make you no bring them down. Yeah. Are you stupid? Do I look like children's to you? Do I look like children's to you? So big a whole me chief when a title. Chief ndi Igbo je bon otu nwa ndi Igbo gbakọrọ agbakọ shie me oshishi. Give yanga wure me gramophone. I resemble you picking where you go take play cartoon. Make I reach where they bury your grandmama, where the poster don't wash. If your mama come out from bed, I can today as Jesus Christ. Which kind of nonsense dibia? If you tell me say you want go make one direct me make I go die. I ask you where they do marriage. You come to direct me where they bury your papa where be dibia. Amadu Ahamabu kurem go. Stupid idiot. Hey, you didn't go to Ilukwane. You know, I'm talking around about Mbali Ligu Brabo. Mbali Ligo te, Baha Ligo te. You take your sap con Ebano may wake keeping go La Quaca. I let Quediquego goes. Stupid idiot. This marriage, I don't go and finish. You want to Macanino Namjilogabia. Only to the bottle. And none I come on time. He bitter you for heart. He direct me, very grand. Me go to die. All one was making 1 weekend. But believe where double and yamundo. See, Imran, take quick. Bingo. I did come on time. You, what if I dare here to do? You don't get man.
This one where you carry bag as if you want set the gun where they go shoot. Not be burial they come in a marriage. You want shoot then gun.
You will not come poor. You will not come poor. Stupid thing. Ikechukwu and Queenette. Happy marriage life. Whether I come on time or I'm late, it also concerns you. Damn you.
You think say they wise? Man, they never leave you.
Same to
They
you.
have left you behind.
Because I show.
But this marriage is a really strong marriage. I don't hear the things. Say 31st Louis they married. If you like say me self, I go still go that marriage because the traditional marriage that kind of never prefer for this time. And they say people they bring wine from Malaysia, different place, men they come.
Boyo. Oh boy, they hear the marriage. This marriage they make sense for this place. So the wine, different wine where they come from Malaysia. That day you go see the way everywhere you go see na roadblock go bust because of that Louis. It too get out of gold. Oh boy, see now just to go wash this car that day with our pepperly native.
Oh, you see that day, what would you follow this man for back now?
If we follow this one no agreement they serve us food though. All these kind of old men they sabi cram people first like magnet. Oh boy, but we go enter there. Now we go enter that place.